this is my style, and I want everyone to get used to it. That's all I'll say on that. And concerning that, I had other issues to sort out at home concerning my family, so I had to go back to the hotel straight up and pick up a very important call for my family. So that was a rumor, I guess. Thank you.
Yeah, there's no beef between me and Buga. Yeah, it's just music, you feel me? It's love all through, you feel me? Two Nigerian brothers doing their thing, you feel me? And we are here, so it's party time. No beefs.
First of all, I thank God for making me be where I am today. You know, it's good. It's a good thing to thank the Lord. First of all, I will advise not only Rwandan artists, and I'm advising all African artists and every artist planning to come out to just be yourself, focus on your work, and don't think about the results. You understand? Focus on the hard work you're putting in now, and the result, whatever it is, still thank God at the end of the day, and still keep going on. The cheat code in this industry is to keep creating, never stop creating. The more you continue to create, the more you grow artistically. You understand what I'm saying? Like, you just have to continue creating. Don't feel the need to, oh, what I did the last time wasn't good enough, so let me go sit down a little bit and just watch. Still go back into the studio and record, and you never know what will happen along the line. So be yourself, trust God, trust yourself, have the right team, have the right energy, positive energy, and watch out how everything will happen so quick. Thank you. And Rwanda, beautiful country. I've been here for 2 days, right from the airport. Everything has been beautiful. Can't wait to see more of Rwanda. Thank you.